Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of Staying Healthy and Vibrant. Today I'm diving into the top 5 immunity-boosting drinks you need in your life. These drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help you fend off those pesky colds and keep your immune system in top shape. Let's kick those colds to the curb and supercharge our immune systems. Ready? Let's get started. Let's go. First up, we have the classic green tea. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea not only fights off bacteria and viruses, but also helps your immune cells perform better. These powerful antioxidants are known to enhance the function of your immune system, making it more efficient at combating infections. Sip on this soothing drink daily, and your body will thank you. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, green tea is a versatile drink that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Next, let's talk about the powerhouse drink, orange juice. Loaded with vitamin C, orange juice is your go-to for warding off colds. This essential vitamin is crucial for the growth and repair of tissues in your body. Plus, it enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood cells. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. A glass a day keeps the cold at bay. Enjoy it fresh and feel the burst of energy and vitality it brings. Now, if you're looking for something a bit spicier, ginger tea is your best friend. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a warrior against germs. It's also known for its ability to help with digestion and can soothe a sore throat, making it a perfect drink during the cold season. It also helps with digestion and can soothe a sore throat. The warmth of ginger tea can be incredibly comforting, especially on a chilly day. Brew some fresh ginger tea and feel the warmth of good health. Add a bit of honey and lemon for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. Coming in fourth is the mighty turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects and a strong antioxidant. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Mix it with some warm milk and a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption, and you've got a delicious drink that's as good for you as it tastes. The black pepper is essential as it increases the bioavailability of curcumin, making it easier for your body to absorb. Last, but definitely not least, we have the berry smoothie. Berries like blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help your immune system fight off illness. These tiny fruits are nutritional powerhouses that can help keep you healthy and energized. Blend them with some yogurt or almond milk for a refreshing and nutritious boost. You can also add a handful of spinach or kale for an extra dose of vitamins and minerals. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible drinks that can help you stay healthy and strong. Incorporate these into your daily routine and watch your immune system thrive. Remember, a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are key to maintaining a robust immune system. Along with these drinks, make sure to eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Stay hydrated, stay active, and keep those immune-boosting drinks flowing. Regular exercise and adequate sleep are also crucial for a strong immune system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Stay healthy, everyone. Keep sipping and stay strong. Until next time, take care and stay vibrant. Keep sipping and stay strong.